I don't think people understand just how mind-blowing our weather can be. Buckle up, because you're in for a treat.
Here are the 5 unbelievable weather phenomena you must see. Number 1. Ball lightning. Imagine a glowing orb floating through the air during a thunderstorm. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's real. Air or gas behaving abnormally, high-density plasma phenomena, an air vortex containing luminous gases, and microwave radiation trapped within a plasma bubble. It normally lasts only a few seconds, usually moving about and then vanishing suddenly, either silently or explosively. Ball lightning has been reported to cause damage by burning or melting, but is usually harmless. Number 2. Fire whirls. Fire whirls have been identified by a variety of names, including devil, tornado, twister, whirlwind, or even dragon twist. Regardless of the name, when the right combination of wind and fire interact, the result is an intensification of combustion with whirling flames that we call the fire whirl. Although the fire whirl or fire tornado shares some features with its atmospheric counterparts, it remains distinct in its source of buoyancy, combusting fuel, structure, and formation patterns. In nature, fire whirls are most often observed in mass fires. These include both large wildland, also known as forest fires or bushfires, and urban conflagrations, such as the burning of cities or towns. Due to the diversity of topography, wind, and fire conditions that can occur in wildland fires, fire whirls are a frequent phenomenon. They are a natural part of fire turbulence with little influence on fire behavior or spread. They are usually on the order of 3 to 33 feet in diameter and have rotational velocities less than 22 miles per hour. Fire whirls can grow large and destructive, forming into a burning tornado. Fire whirls present a powerful intensification of combustion, long studied in the fire research community because of the dangers they present during large urban and wildland fires. All of these types can be a significant problem in the spread or control of fire. Number 3. Catatumbo lightning. Catatumbo lightning is an atmospheric phenomenon in Venezuela. It occurs only over the mouth of the Catatumbo River, where it empties into Lake Maracaibo. The phenomenon is characterized by almost continuous lightning, mostly within the clouds, which is produced in a large vertical development of clouds. Lightning produces nitrogen oxide, which breaks down by sunlight and converts into ozone. With over 1 million lightning discharges per year, Catatumbo, lightning plays an important role in not just impressing tourists, but also helping to regenerate the Earth's ozone, protecting humans, animals, and plants from the sun's UV radiation. Number 4. Morning glory clouds. A rare meteorological phenomenon, the morning glory cloud is not thoroughly understood but is believed to be the result of a collision between a humid easterly front from the Coral Sea and a warm westerly front from the Gulf of Carpentaria. At night, the air over Cape York cools and slides beneath a layer of warm air, leading to the spectacle. Morning glories are long, often stretching hundreds of miles, and sometimes occur in groups. Their name comes from the fact that they are visible during the early morning hours. They are created when large air masses of different temperatures clash together. Usually, when such air masses collide, they remain invisible because they lack enough moisture to create a cloud. However, the humidity in northern Australia in the spring is just right to allow them to become visible. Number 5. Thundersnow. Thundersnow is relatively rare and needs specific conditions to develop. 4 things are needed to result in these rare storms, namely moisture, lift, an unstable atmosphere temperature profile, and below freezing air in the cloud and near ground level. Thundersnow, sometimes called white lightning, is when a thunderstorm is accompanied by precipitation in the form of snow instead of rain. The thunder that is heard with this type of winter storm is a lot less dramatic than that of summer thunderstorms, due to the snow dampening and softening the sound of thunder. Over the past few winters, the weather conditions in southern Ontario have been ideal for experiencing this infrequent weather event, which will only continue to aid in improving meteorologists' understanding of thundersnow. Until a better understanding of these storms exists, we will simply have to watch the skies to appreciate this meteorological marvel. Such insights increase the capacity to manage the risks associated with these events, and thereby reduce the consequences that society might otherwise have suffered. Nature is truly the greatest show on Earth. Stay curious, folks. Follow for more amazing videos.